Hi there, my name's Steve and I'm delighted to be here at Cardiff Stadium delivering some teaching and learning workshops on behalf of His Majesty's Prisons Wales. So it's quite an exciting day today because I think there's around 200 teachers who work in the prison service coming here to attend, I believe there's around 8 workshops. So my particular workshop is going to be focused on ending passive learning essentially. So looking forward to 4 workshops today. So I'm going to be sharing lots of practical teaching and learning ideas for those attending, and I'm hoping that when they leave they'll be enthused, energised and potentially even inspired. So I deliver all the teaching and learning training on behalf of Dragonfly along with some other trainers. So anything around teaching and learning and behaviour management and also some subject leadership stuff tends to come my way. Probably 15 years now I've been working with Dragonfly delivering these courses, and the office tell me over those years it's over 20,000 teachers now, and whilst most of our work is based in the UK, we have lots and lots of schools from abroad also use us for their training, and I think at the last count schools, British international schools from over 30 countries have experience training offered by me and some of the other trainers who work for Dragonfly.
Well, hello, my name's Helen. I'm working for Dragonfly Training today, and we're in Wales, in Cardiff, and we're doing work for His Majesty's Prisons and Probation Service. I'm particularly looking at more able prisoners and their education, and it's all hands-on, oven-ready stuff they can use tomorrow. It's what we specialise in Dragonfly, making it totally relevant and easy to use. I joined Dragonfly 21 years ago, and it's flourished over the years, and we work abroad, we work in Britain, and I offer science courses and maths courses. I do some humanities as well, and in terms of whole generic courses, we look at a full range of courses. We've worked abroad. The furthest way that way would be Peru, maybe, and the furthest way that would be Hong Kong, I guess, and with 43 countries in between. Done over 3,500 courses, so I've been around quite a while doing this work with schools, with individuals, with whole groups, and with corporate people sometimes as well. So today we're going to make it practical, and every course you'd ever go on for Dragonfly will be practical things, not chalk and talk that you can use straight away.
Hello, my name is Helen and I am a leadership development trainer at Dragonfly, and I'm here today at Cardiff Stadium to deliver strength-based leadership to a group of head teachers for the staff at His Majesty's Prison and Probation Services in Wales. So I started work in education all the way back in 1992 as a drama teacher in the secondary sector, and then I went on to being a head of house and a vice principal in charge of inclusion in the secondary sector. In terms of my own education, I have recently gained a master's in applied positive psychology and coaching psychology, and I use all of that evidence-based work in the leadership work that I do. I've been here with Dragonfly and associated with Dragonfly for the last 15 years or so, and I love being a trainer because I love being in the room and working with professionals like yourself and learning as much from you as hopefully you do from me, and I love setting up strong and positive and collaborative learning environments throughout the day. So every course with Dragonfly is an opportunity to deliver my knowledge as a teacher in a way that is 100% practical and, as I said, evidence-based and hands-on, so you can take the strategies that I'm giving you and apply them within your school context immediately. I'm so happy to be here delivering for Dragonfly team today and delivering on this inset, and very much hope to see some of you on our future courses.
Hi there, Martin Davis here, the Regional Quality Assurance Manager for for education in the prisons in Wales. We've had a day here in Cardiff City Stadium where all of our teachers from all of the prisons in Wales have gathered here. Our focus has been on engaging our learners and get back to basics. The pandemic has been a really hard time for our entire team. They've worked tirelessly, and getting back into class rapidly at pace, getting back to what we're doing has been a challenge. So we've gone back to basics. We've had Dragonfly here supporting the event with lots of engaging workshops, and the overall aim is to get people back into their classes, skilled back up to their eyeballs, and back passionate about their teaching. And we've had people coming out of workshops who've been really pleased with a smile on their face with strategies that are ready to take straight back into their classrooms.